The fan motor, the bearings in the fan motor are bad. It'll still work. It's just the noise and the fan being unbalanced, but it'll still keep the compressor cold. Unit was making a weird noise, and as soon as it started, I could tell the fan was kind of wobbly, and just from doing it for so long, I can kind of tell. I've heard the noise before, so I already knew what it was. I would assume that this is under warranty, how new it looks, so we'll get the model number and stuff off the unit and warranty it out, come and replace it. He'll probably not have to pay anything for it, maybe labor, depending on what kind of warranty he has.